everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of Unprocessed, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss and the soon-to-be-released Own Your Health. And this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. And today I'm going to show you how to make coffee ice cream. It's been a long time since I had sugar and an even longer time since I had dairy, but when I did consume them, coffee ice cream was my absolute favorite. So here's what we're going to do. It's really simple. You just make the recipe for the desert date shake, which I'll link below, and add a couple of tablespoons of Dandy Blend to it. And this tastes exactly like those ice blended coffees that I guess they still make them at the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf that are always so popular, but we're going to make it into ice cream. But of course you could drink it just as a shake if you like. So again, I'm just going to make my desert date shake. I've got my non-dairy milk and I've got my dates soaking in them so that they'll be nice and soft. And if you watch any of my videos, you know that I always measure everything out in advance for the recipes I make over and over, so I don't have to measure. So there it is, and it's going right in the blender. So this is basically the Desert Date Shake 2.0. The only difference is I am adding 2 tablespoons of a coffee-like substitute. There's no coffee or caffeine in here. Dandy Blend is the name. And then I'm going to be putting it in the blender. I forgot to take my bananas out. I should have done that in advance, but I always have bananas always ready to go in the freezer. Make sure you peel them before you freeze them, or you know what could happen. You won't get the peel off. So that's lost count there. Okay, got my bananas. And now I'm going to blend. Now, if I was going to drink this as a beverage, and by the way, it's absolutely delicious if you do, I might add a little ice just to make it even thicker. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like fudgicles, but there's no fudge in them. These will be coffee fudgicles. This is a really cool little thing. I'll link to it in my show notes. You can get it on Amazon. That makes just perfect, easy, individual fudgicles. But you can also turn it into ice cream by putting it in a silicone ice cube tray and then putting it through either a Champion juicer fitted with the blank, or your Vitamix, or your food processor. But I really love this because it makes individual servings. So I'm just going to pour the batter, and you can see how dark it is, very much like coffee color. And then you just put enough in each one. This tastes so realistic. I just cannot believe it, that it's legal, that there's no caffeine and no sugar. And of course, no dairy. So if you're trying to kick the coffee habit, Dandy Blend might be something you want to try. But it's like having a fudgicle, but it tastes just like coffee. So if you like that flavor, this would be a great treat to try. Oop, a little banana piece didn't get blended. Come on, there you go. Okay, good thing I have a towel right here. Let's see how many this makes. Might have to make an extra batch to fill this up, but that's okay. Looks like it's going to make at least 6. Yep, perfect. Perfect. So we put it in, then we take the top, put the top over it. It's really quite simple and ingenious. And it comes with sticks, but then, of course, at some point you probably need to buy some more. You just push the stick in. There we go. Make it about the same height, each one. And then you stick it in your freezer several hours or overnight. And I will show you what it looks like when it's done. And you can use this for other flavors. Of course, you could just blend up fruit and make popsicles. Very healthy. And then when it's done, it looks like this. It's delicious. Perfect serving size. So there you have it, a perfect treat to beat the summer heat. It's really hot where I live in the desert, so I'm really appreciating some of these summer treats. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I truly believe you can have both the health and the body you so richly deserve. Take care now.